15 men on a dead man's chest. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. Hey! Mind the potholes! Huh, what luck.
Stop the music! Stop! Stop! We just had breaking news! There's been a prison break! A man convicted of first-degree murder has escaped! Lock up your doors, windows, everything! You could be anywhere! In fact, it could be near you!
Oh my god! He'll kill anybody! Like me! Oh boy. Anybody home? Hey! Whoa! He's in the base. Ow! Huh, must be a detour. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Shh. Hello. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. 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 Shh. Pluto, be serious. Yeah. Yeah. Quit! Pluto! Killer. It's behind me. Get on the ground now! Oh boy, what a beautiful place it is. Very nice. What? Huh. Fish food? Sounds good. Hey! Don't even try! Who do you think you are? I'm warning you! Huh? Being trash talk like fish. Why you? Just a fish. You son of a... Don't even try playing tough guy! Okay, that's it. Dog! I better get out of here before I become the dog's tutor! Help me! Help! I can't see! Rotisserie chicken. Hey, don't eat me. I'm spicy. Is it? Why you... Yeah, we'll to you too. Come on, doggy. Would you like to play? Oh, come on. Don't be shy. Let's have some fun. Come on, doggy. Come on. Hey, Where are you, doggy? Where are you? Punk. Snort at me, huh? Who does that bird think he is? I don't think so. Stop this. Whoa, whoa. No, doggy. No. No. Sit. Bend over. No, doggy. No. 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 Don't! Time to face the music, doggy. All right, killer. Stay right where you are. Pluto. Huh. Don't shoot! Don't shoot! I surrender! I got him! I got him! Alright, killer. The jig is up. Alright, I cooperate. Parrot! Polly wants a cracker. Alright, Polly, help yourself.